Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. The first thing we will be creating today is our stickers. There is a trend going around with a lot of people doing small business owner as a design. I wanted to reiterate that. I've already downloaded the actual design that I will be using, and I'll be using the sticker mule hack that I found on TikTok. But I wanted to show you guys how to create a sticker that you can print here in Canva. So I'm going to ungroup this. I love this font style. It seems to be pretty popular, and it has that back shadow. I'm just going to do the same wording that I did for the stickers that I'm going to create, and it just says small business owner. And I did it in 2 colors. You'll see that when I go to upload. Of course, this is way too big. I'm going to make that smaller. And I did 2 colors. And I'm going to make that bigger now. This is what my design looks like. And I'm going to change the color to black. And then I'm going to hit effects to get a different color for that background if you want to another black. And this would be how my sticker would look. And then whenever I print it out, it'll have this white overlay behind it. There are 3 ways that I'm going to talk about that you can print stickers. I'm sure you guys have seen me print stickers at home before, but I will go through that process possibly to show you guys how to print at home. Other than that, there's like hella videos on YouTube that can show you how to print at home. But the first choice is Sticker Mule, and here on Sticker Mule, here is a little secret that we use. We hit the get samples on Sticker Mule, and you'll scroll down to custom sticker samples, and then you can order 10 stickers for $9. So we'll hit that, and then what we do is we upload the file, but on the file it has 2 stickers. That's how you get, and usually when you order 10, they sometimes send you up to 15. So I ordered 10, but it has 2 stickers on there, and I can cut them in half. Now I get 20, 30 stickers for $9. A lot of people have talked about this hack on Sticker Mule, and then a lot of people have also talked about Sticker U. So here is Sticker U. So we're going to go to stickers, and I think I'm going to order from both shops. And they have die cut papers, they have die cut sticker singles. I think I'm going to go with the holographic stickers to see, and you get 25 or $35, and that's a 2x2. I don't know. I don't think I want to spend that much. Let's look at the die cut singles because I don't want to spend that much. So maybe I should do the singles here in the holographic on sticker. Let's see how much it costs for 3x. Get 5 stickers is $14. I also have a coupon code. Let's see. Let's go through this process. I'm just giving you guys options here. That's it. You don't have to use both websites. Just trying to give options because people say these are cheaper. So you see, I would cut it like right here, right along this line to get 2 stickers. Okay. So that's done. I see it. And then I'll hit apply. So 5 stickers. Don't want to name it. No special instructions. Kiss cut material. See what permanent. $41. Jeez. Okay, done with that. And then I'm going to hit save to cart. So basically, this is 10 stickers for $10. I don't know, they said it was cheaper, but they have, I guess because I did the sample. So I'm going to order both, and I spent about $10 at both sites, and then we'll see what happens when they come. That just means I'll have a little bit more stickers. So that is me ordering stickers from Sticker Mule and Sticker U. And if I wanted to do these stickers at home, I would upload this to my Cameo. I would use my online labels sticker paper, either matte or glossy, and I would print it out on there as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of how to order your stickers online for your stationery business. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.